Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals. And so a funny thing happened to me, not funny really, but I was in a hurry to get my video shot and I did not turn the camera on. And so I'm going to show you the last half of it, but the first half of it was making the removable journal for this Faith Field Notes journal. So I gathered some pages and trimmed them down. I had this cover already where I fused the fabric together. I just used some regular copy paper, and I think I used 4 pieces of that, a couple of pieces of graph paper. Actually, okay, there's another piece of that, so 5. And then I had some old black scrapbook from a flea market, so I tore a couple of pages out of it. So I folded them in half and trimmed them down so they fit this cover. And that's kind of where I was picking up in the middle of it. So I will let you watch the video and go from there. Okay, I think I've got my pages trimmed down the way I want them, which they're just about the exact same size as this fabric page, but that I think will help hold it together, or rather support it when it's tied in, because that string is going to come up and over, and I didn't want this to bend down with the string, if that makes sense. So I've made the pages exactly the same size as the cover. Now I'm going to just bind this. Let's see, I'll use the brown. So this will be super easy. I'm going to clip it. I will clip this. I think it'll be super easy. Okay. I'm just going to, well, first I'm going to thread a needle, which I always forget to do. And do 3 times or 2.5 times. 1, 2, 2.5 times the height of the journal, and thread the needle with this wax linen thread. And I could punch holes, but this is really, ooh, I got the wrong one clipped. Okay, let me make sure I've got this. There. Okay. And I really don't think I need to punch holes ahead of time. I'm just going to use a needle, I think, because this is pretty thin. So I'm going to find the center. Those clips are kind of heavy. I'm going to find the center with my needle and just poke it through. Well, maybe I do need them. Let me use my awl. Harder than I thought. Okay, so poke the, and I'm going down through the middle because I want my strings to be on the inside when I'm finished. Pull this through, and then poke my hole up here. I hope I can find it from the back. There it is. Oop, wait a minute. It went up through the page. One of the pages. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to pull that tight. Leave me a little bit of a tail here to tie it. Come back through this middle hole. Pull it out this way. Pull that tail loose. And got that one twisted around. Okay, and then I'm going to punch the hole at this bottom side. And run the needle up that way. And pull my needle off, pull the thread tight, tie it 3 times or however many you feel like you need to tie it, unclip it, and there is your journal. Okay, let's see if this goes in like I hope it will. Okay, so in the back of the journal where we left the string, we will just tie this in so that when we go out to the field to take notes, if we want to, we can take this out so it's easier to write in it. But meanwhile, it is in the journal. And yep, looks like it's going to work. And there you go, ready. Oh, well, we're not quite done. Okay, so there is the journal in the back of it. And looks like it's sticking out a little bit further at the top. That might just be the way I tied it in. Anyway, there is that tied in journal. So now the only thing left to do is put all the tags and cards and things in. So I'm going to load it up and then I will do a flip through video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Click the like button if you like the video. Think about subscribing. See you next time. Bye-bye.